Welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, I will show you how to design a book cover in Photoshop. This is the photo I'm going to use. I see some videos people just use perspective tool to create and add a photo to the book cover, which is not correct. They do it like this, which is wrong. I repeat it, this is very wrong. Firstly, we are going to use Photoshop ruler. Those who don't know how to create ruler, you're just going to press Ctrl+R to enable them. You're going to start dragging them to the four corners of the book. The reason why we are doing this is to know where we're going to get pixels from. Continue dragging the lines to T corners. After putting lines in all of the four corners, then go to crop to select perspective tool. This also helps us to select the aspect ratio of the book cover. Draw the rectangular shape and drag the corners to the cover book corners. Drag the correctly to feel the book cover. After that, press enter. So now this is our aspect ratio of our book cover. Now, press Ctrl+A to select. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Now press Ctrl+Z to undo. Go back to our book and press Ctrl+V to paste. After pasting, then go to View and click Clear Guide to remove lines. Rename the layer to Cover Book. After that, turn into a smart object by right-clicking, then Smart Object. After that, right-click and go to Distort. Start stretching corners in proper aspect we need. Get the photo you're going to use, copy it and paste it on the book cover. Resize it to fit the page. After resizing on the page, press Ctrl+S to save it on book cover. Now you can see it is already saved on the book. Press Ctrl+T and go to Warp, and make sure you fit the edges accordingly. Now you can see, if you're going to use blending modes, go to Multiply. You can see our finger is inside the book cover. But don't worry, I'm about to show you how to put it outside the book cover. Just add a layer mask. Go to Brush. Make sure the background layer is black, as you can see. Then start painting carefully. You can see now it's now perfect. And the best thing is that you can apply another photo on the book cover, easy and simple. Just click in the layer. Put another photo on the page. Apply it correctly. and the press Ctrl plus S. Now you can see it's already applied on the book cover. It's done now. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in the comment section. Bye.